Welcome from DivkLearner, where we move a bit forward daily. A big shout out to all IT champions. You are the magic makers turning challenges into solution. Today we're exploring one of the most powerful DAX function, MinA. Curious about how to find the smallest value in the Power BI? The MinA DAX function is the key. In this video, we'll explore how MinA helps you identify the smallest numerical value or date across columns, simplifying your analysis and boosting model efficiency. We'll also compare min versus min A so you can choose the right function based on your needs and get the most out of your data. Remember, mastering one DAX function at a time will lead to a powerful results. Let's move a bit forward daily and learn together. Join me on this exciting journey with DivkLearner. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a step in your Power BI journey. Here's at DivkLearner, we empower you to take a bit forward daily with practical tips and powerful techniques. Ready? Let's get started. So today, as been mentioned, we'll be talking about the DAX function called min_a. So min_a returns the smallest value in the column. Its syntax is min_a column, where you write down the column name, returns the smallest value in the column. If you want to compare text values, use the min function because min_a doesn't work on the text function. And here are the certain things. If the value contains no value, min_a returns 0. Rows in the column that evaluates two logical values such as true and false are treated as 1 if true, 0 as false, and empty cells are ignored. So let's quickly see the practical part that we were doing. So I've created this example in which I'll take you to the min_a demo. And once you're there, you can see that what I've done is from the data previously explained, you can see the previous video for the explanation. This is the video, and this is the data that I have in this particular table. And I've created two measures. One is min_a quantity sold, which is a numerical kind, and then min_a product, which is the product which we are talking about. So you can see that we are showing a graph. In this graph, we are saying we are putting in the min_a, which is talking about the quantity, and the other one we are putting in minimum quantity. You can see both of them are the same, not much of a difference there. But when we try to put it on the non-numeric values, where here you see I'm putting it on the product, it is giving me apple, so it is finding out the alphabetical values. If I put in min_a, then min_a, I'm also doing the product, but it is not giving me a value. It is giving me a value of 0. So that is what it does. I hope this demo is giving you the clear information. That's all that I wanted to cover. So I thank you for watching DivkLearner, where we move a bit forward daily. If this video helped you understand these DAX function, give it a thumbs up, share it with your network, and subscribe for more Power BI insight. Try these functions in your data model and let us know your experience in the comments below. See you in the next one.